Hello everybody, happy Wednesday, and this is Angela Schimmels again, the Houston Sign Lady, and today I am bringing you information on wayfinding signs. And what are wayfinding signs, you may ask? Well, that's a very good question. I'm going to tell you that right now. Wayfinding signs, as defined, can be simply trying to find a visitor or a client or an employee from point A to point B at your location. Why does this matter, you ask? I'm glad you asked. This matters for several reasons. Take one of our best clients, a local church. They were going through a rebranding, and what happened? People couldn't find their way around with all the constructions. So what did we do? We actually went ahead, took pieces of paper, walked the entire campus, all 5 buildings, and we put little pieces of paper up with arrows in the directions of the various buildings. So that way we could test it with the clients and with the worshipers, walking all over the place using the pieces of paper as guides to determine that we indeed had the right wayfinding or navigation. Okay, in this video, we're going to go over the 4 functions of wayfinding signs. The first function, probably the most obvious, is informational. This would be your business address, hours of operation, how to get a hold of me, such as a website and a phone number that you'd put on your retail store window, those types of things. Each one of these functions is going to be followed by a couple of pictures of signs we've done for similar types. The second function of wayfinding signs is, of course, what we call directional. And this would be especially applicable where there's multiple buildings, multiple departments, lots of hallways where people can get lost. And an example of this would be something like, for the hardware department, turn left. All right, folks, we're almost there. The third function of wayfinding is identification. And what does that mean? That means I need to know which office is the management office, which office is Susie Smith's office. And those signs in many jurisdictions, and to comply with the American with Disabilities Act, actually have to have Braille, just so you know. Okay, folks, we've made it. The fourth and final reason for wayfinding signs is regulatory. This can be something OSHA requires, or it could be just plain old common sense. And these are things like safety glasses required, must wear safety shoes, must wear a helmet, those types of things, especially applicable in a manufacturing facility. Okay, to recap, we discussed the 4 reasons and uses of wayfinding, otherwise known as how do I get from point A to point B types of signs. One is regulatory, one is informational, one is identification, and one is directional. So, if you found this mildly entertaining or interesting, or just really want to help me out, subscribe to our channel right now. If you want more information, go to our website, image360houstonspring.com. Stay tuned for more, probably next week. Or not. You'll see. Have a great day.